Alright, next let's talk about corner treatment. Frequently, we need to extend sheet metal flange to form a closed corner. And in ZW3D, there are two types. First one is create a closed edge, which means it will only close the straight area, but leave the bent area behind. And the second one is close bent. This one will close all the bent and the straight area. And for the corner attribute, it can be three types: underlap, overlap, and neutral, which you can see the difference clearly in the figure. And also you can decide whether to close the full flange or just close the selected flanges. Okay. Now let's move over to ZW3D to check more details. Okay, next I will show you how to use the close corner command to extend sheet metal flange and bend to form a closed corner. And the two methods available: close edge and close bend. So now let's see the first one, close edge. Okay, click on it, and we only need to select two edges. Then you can see the preview. And also you can set the overlap type: natural, underlap, or overlap. And also the gap can be customized. Okay, we set it to 0.2. Okay, now this is the result. But you can see it will only close the web, but not the other bends and the other webs. Okay, so we try the second method, close bend. And we choose to bend to be closed. And then you can see it will close the bend and also the connected web, right? And also for the corner, we can set the relief. And here we can use the rectangle relief. And also the overlap types. Okay, now it looks good. Okay. And we can choose whether to close the whole flanges or not. You can see the result. It will close all the sub corners with the selected one. Okay. Okay, now we can get the final result. This looks good. And we can try unfold it to see the result. Okay, now you can see the corner treatment. It's quite good. Okay, this is all about the close corner command.